In the last video of chapter number 3, that is sources of energy, we studied what is nuclear fission. Today in this video we are going to understand the next nuclear energy, that is produced by the process called nuclear fusion. So it is just opposite of nuclear fission. What was happening in nuclear fission? In nuclear fission, one nucleus was breaking into two. There were two daughter nuclei in which a heavy nucleus was getting breakdown when it was attacked or bombarded by a thermal neutron. So the nuclear fission was the process in which a heavy nuclei disintegrate itself into two lighter nuclei. In nuclear fission, what happens is there is a process in which two light nuclei or two light element combine to form a heavy nucleus. So it is just opposite of nuclear fission, in which one was breaking into two. In nuclear fusion, two are combining to make one. So the process in which two nuclei of light elements combine to form heavy nucleus is called nuclear fusion. A tremendous amount of energy is produced during the fusion process. This is the basic example of fusion of a nuclear fusion process, where two deuterium nucleus, deuterium is isotope of hydrogen, where two deuterium nucleus are combining to form a helium nucleus plus electron and plus release of lot of energy. The energy produced in nuclear fusion is much more than the energy produced in nuclear fission. Nuclear fusion source, the sun is the example of nuclear fusion. The energy that is in sun is due to nuclear fusion processes only. This process is not as simple as it looks like. It is not only that it is easy to combine two light nuclei to form a heavy nuclei. It requires a lot of heat energy. It requires a lot of pressure. So these conditions are to be produced to perform nuclear fusion. It is not a chain reaction like nuclear fission process. You must have heard the bomb, hydrogen bomb. The hydrogen bomb is based on process of nuclear fusion only. So these are the pros and cons of nuclear fusion. Energy produced by nuclear fusion: it is a clean source of energy which produces no greenhouse gases. Limitless amount of fuel, because deuterium and tritium are easy to produce. So resources are easy to produce. Unlike fission, fusion does not have a chain reaction, so it can be controlled. Fusion does not produce nuclear waste unlike fission. Energy produced from fusion is low cost compared to nowadays fuel. The cons are as follows. Fusion occurs at extremely high temperature, making it difficult to contain. Energy required to perform fusion can be of greater than the energy received. Current research on fusion costs billions of dollars of money, which could be invested rather in renewable green energy. Cold fusion may be the only way to make fusion efficient, but it is yet to be successfully developed.